How to block on LinkedIn mobile app. Firstly, you have to install the LinkedIn mobile app from your Play Store. Now open the app in your Android as well as on iPhone. To block someone on LinkedIn on mobile app, you can apply these procedures on your Android as well as on iPhone. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Open the profile of the person which you want to block him. Open their profile like this. I have opened the profile of this person. Now you can see the three dots, click on it and you can see here at the second last option there is a report or block. You just click on the block here and at the top you can see block that person. Click on blocked. In this way that person will be blocked from your LinkedIn mobile app. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.